Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change to light mode on the OfferUp app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the theme or look of the OfferUp app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OfferUp app, then click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. From here, you want to scroll down and then click on Account Settings. Now we have some blurred information here, but underneath where it says Color Theme, this is where you can decide between light mode and dark mode. So if you click on light mode, it's going to change it to a lighter setting, and if you click on dark mode, there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to light mode on your OfferUp app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.